Hi friends, here we will discuss G20 plan to facilitate remittance flows. Implementing work on remittances, the G20 Global Partnership for Financial Inclusion. As the implementing body for financial inclusion, and the G20 has updated the G20 Financial Inclusion Action Plan in 2014. The FIF or the Financial Inclusion Action Plan, in shortcut FIF, will accelerate the provision and uptake of financial services and facilitate remittance flows through advancing the provision and utilization of payment instruments and systems. I am repeating, advancing the provision and utilization of payment instruments and systems. Second one, leveraging technology and innovative business models to develop efficient payment systems. Third one, evaluating policy options or recommendations to reduce the cost of sending remittances. Last one, increasing accessibility and transparency of remittance transfers. The FIF will also raise awareness and identify causes and solutions as appropriate related to the closure of money transfer operate accounts, including publishing relevant data and arranging meetings of key stakeholders. This work will include a data collection exercise on the closure of money transfer operators bank accounts to be conducted by the World Bank as a GPFI implementing partner. The G20 Development Working Group will continue to build political momentum for collective and individual country-led actions. The DWG will draw on the GPFI's technical work to support progress against the 5% target and will support efforts to create a sound analytical basis and evidence base to inform future country reductions. In particular, the DWG will work with the GPFI to identify how remittance flows can drive financial inclusion outcomes in low-income countries, progress in these areas, including on the call to action and country plans for reducing remittance transfer costs, will be monitored through the DWG's and GPFI's progress reporting cycles. The DWG will continue to share approaches on financial inclusion and remittances to build a body of knowledge on potential actions G20 members could take this one. In addition to working within the G20 progress outcomes related to remittance flows, the G20 will continue to actively engage with the private sector, global standard setting bodies, international organizations and civil society. Okay friends, we will see in my next video summary of G20 commitments on the call to action on remittances. What are the countries involved? We will see that. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.